Hi again. So I just I used the vessels that we had on our list and made this map. So it's kind of interesting. It actually shows sort of what we expected, which is the vessels are in that area that we focused in on just outside of Japan's EEZ in the last map. So I'll just play it for you. I set the time scale the same. I don't know if maybe changing that around might affect some of how this looks. But here it goes. So we can see sort of exactly like what Mallory suggested that we might see, which is the vessels leaving in July and like presumably fishing for sari there just outside of Japan's EZ, like Peter mentioned, and then coming back to port in Taiwan just after December. So let's just watch it one more time. So this is one, two, three, four, five, five different what we have listed as liftnet squid sari vessels. Um, Again, it's for whatever reason, it's just surprisingly difficult to be able to, even though we've tracked these vessels previously, to be able to find the same vessel, even though they're saved in a recent search history on the site, and we're typing them in. So it's nice that we do have what call numbers. Is that what it is? Yeah, radio call signs. And funny enough, two of the vessels have the same radio call sign. So I don't know what that indicates, but and yet different IMO numbers. The other thing, two other quick points here. To just we couldn't see it with that map, but interestingly enough, the vessels. If we need to go, maybe I can do it as it happens. But basically, we're looking for what happens to the vessels after December. When they come back to port. And what we're going to see is that they reappear over in South America and look to be as if they even go to port in the Falkland Islands. I think so. Let's just watch one more time. So here they are, all in the same area there. It looks like some even go right through Japan there, and then all coming back to port in December. And then we need to, maybe we'll zoom out. Oh, we missed it. So what we're going to look is around here is where we'll see them, I think. Oh, there they are again. See? So back to port. And then now suddenly showing up over here. It's very strange because they seem like they sort of disappear and then they are ending up somewhere here off South Africa, and then make their way over here into the EZ of Falcon Islands. So that's strange. The other thing I just wanted to point out with last time is that, so here, like the straight lines here are all the RFMOs. And what I noticed, like last time when we were focusing in, we were really focusing in on this area here where there's a lot of movement. And I was kind of confused because it's sort of shaped like an EEZ in here. And also sort of still within what we're calling this sort of whole area is RFMO7. But after I looked at it a little bit more closely, it's really what's happening in this area is that I guess this area would technically be a high seas area, maybe. So I was just interested in your opinions on this, because instead of it being like really what we have is this shape takes sort of this area takes shape as a result of the different EEZs that surround it. So here we have Palau exclusive economic zone. Here is the Philippines. Over here is Guam. Here is Northern Mariana, and here is still a Japanese EEZ that stretches all the way here. So this area here is also sort of technically just outside of the Japanese EEZ. So I thought that was just something else interesting to kind of point out as we sort of learn more about the map. So yeah, so I'll just leave it at that for now, and maybe we can sort of discuss some ways to sort of use this information. Thanks very much. Okay.